Hi, I'll be discussing a little bit on how Italians meet and greet. For social occasions, it is normal for them to shake hands with eye contact with people whom they do not know well, particularly men. Women usually kiss as from the farewell of their first meeting. On subsequent meetings, if they are more than acquaintances by now, they usually kiss hello and goodbye. In Central and Southern Italy, it is normal for men to kiss each other as much as women do. It is often more a ritual than a display of a genuine affection. I'll be giving some of the most common ways on how to greet someone in Italian. First is ciao. Ciao is the most common way of saying hello and goodbye informally. You should never use it with someone like a boss or a teacher. You can use it with someone like your friend. Next is buongiorno. Buongiorno is a formal and informal way of saying good morning. Next is buon pomeriggio. Buon pomeriggio means good afternoon, but it is not normally used in conversation. Might be heard when addressing a group, for example, on the radio. Next is buonasera. Buonasera means good evening, a formal way of saying good evening. But it is also used goodbye when using it when afternoon and in the evening. Next is buonanotte. Buonanotte, that means good night, a formal and informal way of saying good night. A presto means see you soon, and that is all. However, the degree of warmth of greeting is also subject to the occasion, especially when you have not seen them for a long time. Again, this is Sarah Minette V. Rosilia. Thank you.